Are you in quarantine?
We are in quarantine, but yesterday was a beautiful day, and we were out to do some biking and walk on the mountains. So that was great. We're trying to get the best out of it, right?
Yes, we try.
We try. Yeah.
Why do you change the website and why do you change it now?
The website is not supporting us right now in our growth strategy. Your website doesn't reflect your branding. It's because you are evolving in the real world. I feel that our employees are not that proud of that website. It doesn't carry the message that we want it to carry. If you are a gamer, when you are having that character, and at some point you upgraded it with different weapons, magic, and armors, and you are like, you can't upgrade it anymore. It's time to change to the stronger or more versatile character.
As a gamer, I know that if I change the character, there is a risk because I knew the old one very well. It's dangerous to change the character.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You can outsource it to a web agency, without having your hands in the project. You're going to learn a lot into that process. Those web agencies, they're going to ask you so many questions. You're going to need to, deliver the answers and maybe do some research. You can spend between 25K to 300K on the website. And at some point, you're going to roll it out to everybody in the world. And you'll realize that, nobody care. Nobody care. We changed the culture in Conformit to be more human-centric design, and our users are welders, mechanics, electricians, vice president of environmental health and safety. We have the expertise of these people. We know the value proposition, the day-to-day and the context of these people. And we want the website to vibrate with, their own challenges and pain. We are talking about agility, since like 10 years now. We are saying that no, you need to do that small increments, roll it out, learn from that, test and learn along the way.
How do you do a small part of a website? I don't see it.
I don't know.
Ah,
Honestly, it's like building the plane while you're flying it. We know how to do that with a product. I'm pretty sure you can do that with a website. We're gonna just target one industry and one persona and build a homepage for that specific, profile, and we're going to test it. From that, we're going to see, what will be the next phase. And of course, there's always people talking to you about, no, you can do that because of the SEO. You can do that because of WordPress. There's always a reason why you can do something. Your audience is a moving target, and you are evolving too as an organization, trying to optimize that product market fit. While you're building it, you want it to be agile, but you want to keep that agility in the future. It's a moving target, and you are moving yourself. My team was disappointed. They wanted to work with these kind of professionals. They are professional in what they do, and of course we would have learned a lot with them, but we would have learned a lot about how to build a website and not about our customers, like trying to get rid of a problem that we should solve ourselves. I want the team being focused on the data and not focused on the look and feel of the website, right? If you're focusing on the data that your website is giving to you, the whole organization is going to be able to understand what's going on about that. And they're going to use the same approach on other projects. Knowing what data is a game changer for your business. Having that sense and respond way of doing things with your customers, and the website is just a tool of doing it. Reshape the way we are doing marketing, sales, pool of freelancers that has a network of complementary expertise, subject matter expert in growth strategies. Growth is being obsessed with your customer, your client. You are obsessed analyzing what are their pains and challenges, and you reorganize your whole organization to solve those pains. That's my best definition of growth.
It's a good one. I like it.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Hey, that's a good question.
I know.
Probably like in a couple of months, if we are getting traction with the first and minimal small tests that we are doing, if we're going to get traction from the team, if we are inspired by that motion, I think it's going to be a success. And then we're going to just need to adjust and to put in place some governance, to make sure that we are not going everywhere. It's going to be chaotic, and it's going to be a lot of fun. What are you doing today?
I'm editing our interview after that.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
I do the job by myself. No agency.
No agency?
No.